Back to WWF. DX has an important announcement. What's this announcement?
Well, me ain't DX anymore for reasons I don't want to talk about. Oh, dang it, I missed. Well, let's just say that DX is over. DX is stupid.
Wait, DX
DX
is over?
sucks. I you mean suck it. Ow! You hurt me. DX is over.
Don't.
So the X is done. I'll get payback. Looks like an option. Bye. Bye.
What is going on?
This is viral.
Yo, come here.
This is gonna
You
go
want this?
viral.
Here, take it, take it.
Okay. Ow!
Oh, it's 2-on-1.
I hit my hand.
2-on-1?
Hold on, let me do something. Let me do something. Let me
Fine,
do it to him.
fine.
No. No. Hold his shoulders.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey,
What the heck? Ow!
Hey.
Shane, move window. Move window. Huh? I'm leaving.
No, come here. Run toward me.
Oh! Oh! He tripped him. Oh, God, Mommy.
Right. Oh, it's a 2-on-1 match now.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
help me! We can reunite the X. Fire, let's reunite the X.
Come on.
Wait. That's him. Stop the video. Stop the video.
Ow. Cool.
Ow! Stop hitting so hard.
Wait.
Ow! Ow! Nick,
touched it.
you pulled my hair.
I
Wait.
didn't pull
Are
your
you guys
hair.
reuniting?
No, we're not. Maybe in the future.
Whoa!
Okay, oh.
Whoa!
Oh, God.
Come here.
Ryder, let's reunite the X.
In your dreams. In your dreams.
Here.
Oh!
Oh.
Ow!
I'm in a 2-on-1 match. See you guys again.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh.
Ow!
You want to go up?
One more thing. One last.
Count.
1, 2, 3.
Get out of here.
Alright, I got one last thing to say to you. It was a good time talking to you. We're having our moment. Oh! Sumo drop.
Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like.
Hey,
Wait a
watch
second.
this. I'm sorry, Mr. Undertaker.
Give me my belt.
Let me give it to you. Okay. Let me do something to him. I'm not arcade. Oh!
I don't know what's this going on. Oh, my belt. These two are like fools. You know what? Hey, boys. Get over here.
Why
Come here.
did you have to go in with muddy?
I have a jacket.
I'm all muddy now.
Oh, I'm tired.
Oh.
You swallow, EJW.
Hey.
No.
Oh, stop hitting so hard. It's freaking Nicki Minaj with a big butt bouncing all over you like an Easter egg.
I'll see y'all later, ladies and gentlemen. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe.